What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to create a section like this one that is called a third. It's almost like a vertical tabbed navigation content, okay? So if you click right here into the section 2, it opens a piece of content just like this and this. This is called third element, okay? And how to do this using WPBakery WordPress page builder is what you're gonna learn in this video, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics, not just international sites favors. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is make sure that you are using the WPBakery page builder, this plugin right here. If you don't know how to install this plugin, let me know into the comment section below so I can help you, okay? After this, go to our page. You can move to all pages in order to edit a previously made page or create a new page. That is the case that you're gonna use into this video, okay? After this, you're gonna click into WPBakery page builder, okay? This button right here, this blue button. After there is a page, you're gonna apply a page title. And we're gonna click into backend editor. The plugin works into the front end just like Elementor, but I prefer to explain things into the backend to make it simpler. Now we have an empty page, and you can select a blank page or a themed layout. Basically, a page without menu and footer or a page with menu and footer. Click on it, this one that you prefer. After, click on add element with the plus button. Right here, you can see all of the elements from WPBakery page builder, and we have right here our tour section, vertical tabbed content. Click on it, and let me preview the page so you can see the results we are getting. Basically, we have two sections, two empty sections. First thing, explore this section layout. Can you see this little plus button right here next to the section 2? We're gonna click on it to create a new section. After this, we're gonna click into this pencil icon inside of the section, this yellow box right here, to edit the section. And I'm gonna change the section name. For example, you can change from section 1 to anything that you want. Same thing if you select the new section, click into the pencil, and use, for example, section 3. We can apply an icon to the section in the case that you want. We can choose the icon. Let me select this one, for example. We can change the icon position before title or after title. And we can apply a CSS class. Please do not edit this part right here, the section ID, okay? Save change, and let's preview the results we are getting. And here we go. Let me apply some icons to the other two sections. Select yes, click into the icon, and let's change the positions. All done. Let's preview. Here is the results we are getting. Now it's time to apply content inside of the section. If you click into any of those three sections, of course you can create more in the case that you need, okay? You can see this little plus button right here. Click on it and apply some content. I think I'm gonna start with the text block. Right here you can type text in the case that you want. Just like this. Now I'm gonna select the section 2. And from this section, I would like to apply, for example, an image. So I'm gonna click on it, select an image from my media library. In the case that I want to learn how to work with images, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and a card over here for the single image usage. Now for the section 3, I'm gonna apply maybe a text block and a button. To add more elements to the same section, you need to click into this plus button right here. prepend to section. Okay, now I'm gonna add a button. Don't forget to add your button URL, okay, the link right here. Drag the element and drop wherever you want, okay, just like this. Now let's preview the results we're getting. So section 1, section 2, section 3. What else we can do? We can, for example, change the main layout, okay? Here is the whole section, okay? After, next to it, we have the columns layout. And we can use a column with offset, just like this. I need to drag this and drop to the middle column, once it's the first column. Let's preview so you can see the difference. Can you see? Basically, we applied some padding from left and from right. What else we can do? Of course, we can edit the tour section. There is options right here to clone, to delete the element, and to edit. Right here we can change the widget title tag, H2, section title tag, and the styles. Let's use the modern and from square instead of, and let's change the colors, maybe this one. Do not fulfill content area, spacing, gap, position, alignment, navigation widget, autoplay, active section. We can choose the section that we want to be active by default, pagination style, and apply some CSS animations, element ID, and custom CSS class. And of course we have the design options to enter with the padding, border, and margin. Click on, save it, and let's preview. And here is the results we are getting. What else we can do? Let me publish the page to save it. And let's explore the front end editor, okay? Click on it. Now we're gonna load the page into the front end, just like Elementor. And now, in the case that I want to customize the third section, click on it, click into edit. Let me change the colors. And let's change the style for the flat. Save change. And now you can see the results immediately, okay? Let's explore another option. Outline. And here is the results you're getting. Simple, easy, and very, very effective. After finding the layout that you want, the style that you need for your content, all you have to do is click into the update button into the upper right corner of your screen and you are good to go. Your page is saved. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case you have any question. Don't forget to check out our borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, and templates for free. Our Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Our Growth.net platform, a place where we can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. Our Sites.gallery, that is a CSS gallery where you can promote your game, your app, your website. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while you're doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition to premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more pro features to create the site of your dreams. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.